From cradle to the grave, TVS, test value static, tracks the complete life cycle of your AC induction electric motor, from receipt and installation to decommissioning or repair. It serves as the foundation of predictive maintenance, PDM, in motor management. TVS is a patented stationary motor shaft testing technology developed by ALL-TEST Pro. It monitors the health of AC induction motors of any size operating under 1,000 volts. With the use of TVS, a facility can depend on reduced downtime through predictive insights, faster decision-making with a simple, actionable health indicator, lower maintenance costs by targeting repairs based on condition, not schedule. Ideal for new motor installations, TVS allows for straightforward condition assessment by comparing previous TVS values to new readings. As a motor age, TVS enables ongoing monitoring of asset health, helping users plan maintenance or downtime proactively. When evaluating a new or repaired motor, the instrument generates a unique single-number rating called the TVS value. These readings can be stored and later compared using the MCA instrument and MCA software to assess the motor's condition in the field. A deviation of less than 3% between TVS values is considered acceptable and will result in an OK status. Deviations of 3% or more will trigger a warn or bad indication on both the instrument and software. TVS offers a clear and easy-to-understand assessment of the motor's stator winding condition.